I gotta finish getting geared up though. I don't want to get stung again. Good afternoon, friends, and welcome back to the homestead. So it has been extremely hot the last few days, and it has finally got cool enough in the evening that I can go ahead and do a bee inspection right now. I also need to fill up their feed, so we're gonna get in there and check and see how they are doing. I gotta finish getting geared up though. I don't want to get stung again. So there is a ton of activity going on in the new box. Tons of bees in there. So I'm really excited. I'm gonna pull a few more out and see if they've actually started to make any comb on it. But there's a lot of bees in that area. So that's a good sign. All right, friends, so that was a really quick inspection. I just wanted to make sure that they were actually starting to do brood up in the top box, which they are. So I'm gonna leave it alone. I went ahead and filled it back up so they have plenty of feed, and then I will come back again next week and check on them again and see how they're doing. So really easy, just quick, get in there and get out. Try not to mess with them too much. But everything is looking really, really good. I'm really excited. All right, friends, so while we're down on this side of the property, we're gonna head over to where we did our shiitake mushrooms and see if the logs are still in place. We've had a lot of rain and thunderstorms the last couple weeks, so we're just gonna go over here and make sure everything is where it's supposed to be. I don't think we'll see anything because it will probably be next year that we're actually gonna be seeing some mushroom spores, hopefully. Hey, kitty, kitty. Well, this is where we have our mushroom spores that we went ahead and put into these logs, and they are still here, which is really good. But all this used to be water. There is no water coming through here. Our rainy season actually comes August, September, so I'll be expecting a lot more rain here in the very near future. But everything looks good over here. So we'll go ahead and head back to the house now. All right, friends, so before I go in for the night, I'm gonna go ahead and collect some more tomatoes that I have here in the backyard garden and just check how everything else is doing. First, I gotta show you these beautiful sunflowers. My zinnias down here are about ready to start opening. I can see the flowers. So it looks like I'm going to be able to pick my first tomatillo. You know, it still feels really, really hard, so I'm gonna wait and I'm gonna do a little bit more research on the tomatillos when you're supposed to pick them. I don't know if they're supposed to be soft or if they are supposed to stay hard when you pick them. So I'm gonna do a little research before I go ahead and take it off there. It'll be fine a few more days. So since my chickens are coming in here and eating my tomatoes, I'm gonna go ahead and pick the ones that are almost ripe, and I'll let them go ahead and continue ripening on the windowsill. And then once they're fully ripe, I'll go ahead and put them in the freezer for when I do a big pot of tomatoes for canning. All the other ones are still a little bit too unripe to pick, so I'll go ahead and leave those ones for a couple more days. Tomorrow I will take you guys with me as I go to the big garden, which, forewarned, it is a jungle. I did not maintain it like I should have. It's a jungle. It is depressing, but I'm really hoping that I'm gonna have some really good tomatoes down there. Fingers crossed. So we'll do that tomorrow afternoon once it has cooled down in the evening. Got a couple of cherries for now because these sweet 100s are so good. They're so sweet. Alright friends, thanks for coming by and hanging out with me today at the homestead while I got some bees situated, picked a few tomatoes, and checked on our mushroom spore logs. Until next time friends, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well, and have a blessed day.